The new command bar in Sketch puts a ton of actions within easy reach without having to remember more than just one single keyboard shortcut. Chances are you've used some sort of command bar in another app before, so I don't need to tell you how handy they can be for speeding up your day-to-day work. But I do have some tips to help you save as much time as possible. First things first, Command K is your default shortcut for opening the command bar. But if you've got some conflicting muscle memory from another app, you can easily change the shortcut. Just head to the Sketch settings, and on the General tab, you'll find a field where you can click and then press your own new shortcut, as long as it's not already assigned to another action. On that note, the default shortcut of Command K actually took the place of the scaling tool, which now activates when simply pressing K. The command bar is a lightning fast way to get to all those menu and toolbar items that can sometimes feel a tad buried. In fact, the menu items for all your third-party plugins will show up as well, which can make things feel quite a bit less overwhelming. And to speed you along even more, the command bar learns from your behavior and ranks search results based on what you actually use the most. The search results are also a great way to learn keyboard shortcuts for your most frequently used commands, so keep an eye out for those. Since search results propagate as you type, you'll rarely need to type the entire name of anything. But to type even less, try using abbreviations like PSL, for example, for pumpkin spice latte, or pause smart layout. Another little bonus is that you can type the name of a submenu to see its items, like combine to see all the Boolean operations. Command bar goes a bit beyond menu and toolbar items, giving you quick access to some of the fields and toggles from the inspector, like the height and width fields, X and Y position, or even switching between portrait and landscape orientation for an artboard. The icons in the search results will even show you if a toggle is turned on or not. While you're at it, you can use the command bar to toggle the new Minimap. If you haven't played with it yet, the Minimap gives you a bird's eye view of your entire canvas, allowing you to click or drag your way around the biggest and most complex canvas extremely fast. You'll also see the name of each artboard you mouse over to help you jump to the right spot. And if the Minimap gets in your way, you can grab the handle at the edge and move it to the other side. Now go install the latest version of Sketch and take the new command bar and Minimap for a spin.